There are several O-rings in your nail gun that seal various components and control the flow of air. This particular O-ring seals the head valve to the head. The O-ring will harden over time and eventually crack. When this occurs, it will usually allow air to leak from the top of the gun. Replacing the O-ring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the head from the nail gun. Now I'll use 2 screwdrivers to pry the head valve out of the housing. Now I can remove the old O-ring from the head valve. I'll use a little bit of nail gun grease to lubricate the new O-ring. And then I'll slide it over the head valve. Now press the head valve back into the head. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the head.